Hi everyone, this video we were working on search mode and search controllers. So actually what I mean on search is really simple. We list user with conditions. So well, nothing search mode or search controller here. We'll just make use of user model and user controllers. Okay, so first open the round, config, rounds, and in user we have index. Save it. So next, and for search, let's work on the controller first. App, controllers, user controllers. So for index, and we have users equal user.search, parents, terms, and respond to GS. So we use Ajax to return GS, then update the result on the view. So params terms here is what you receive from user, like keyword they want to search. So next, let's define this search function in the model. So open model and user model. So in here we write another function, def cell search term. If term where username like and this is term. So this is the way we write to pass the variable in a string. So else nil, another nil n, right? Save it. So you get the keyword to search, and then you get all the user which has name like keywords from users. And when you are on inside double quote string, something like this. So if you use this sharp and open curly brace and close curly brace, so you make this, and this will print out the value of this variable, of term variable. So if term is equal with strong long or something, so it would return like strong long, something like this. For example, term equals strong long. So if you write like this, you will get the value that variable is contained, right? Right, save it. And save this too. Right, so that's all for this video. See you next time.